How long are you living in the home? What is your goal? Like, what is your intention? And the reality is that we have to then run the numbers based on the break even, including the closing costs that you have to pay. And then only you can answer that. Some people are happy with a 3-year break even. Some people want a 1-year break even. Some people are down with a 5-year break even. I can't answer that question. Only you can individually answer that question. So whether it be that you're currently looking to buy a home, I will say truthfully, my thought, again, assuming we don't see anything crazy go down, which we never know. My thought is that we will likely see rates hover where they are right now, at least for the next 30 days. We may see some fluctuation. If we continue to see, though, that inflation is like still kind of like steady and not, exponentially growing, and we continue to see the job labor market reports are showing us that we're struggling, that we still have a lot of people on unemployment, that people are staying on unemployment. Those are the two things that, in my opinion, have the greatest impact on what's going to happen with rates. And so if we continue to see those reports, if inflation stays chill and employment goes up, my thought is that by December, we will continue to see, again, some downward movement. Again, though, I don't think it's going to be crazy. Like, I don't think it's going to be like a point drop, right? It still will be substantial for a lot of people. With that being said, there's a risk. So I have people who were like, okay, well, I'm going to wait till December. If I had a magic ball, y'all, I would not be making videos on here and I'd be on a yacht somewhere. Who has a yacht? I'd like to come. But we don't know. We don't know what's going to happen. And you really have to be the one to answer that question of what is the bigger risk to you? Is the bigger risk knowing right now that you could buy or you could refinance and you would be happy with those savings, and then potentially losing out on what you could be saving now? Would that hurt your feelings more than not making a decision and then come December, rates skyrocket again? Like, only you can answer that question, and you typically have to choose. Are you down to mitigate the risk and just take what you can take now and be happy with that? Or are you a roll the dice kind of person and you want to ride it out and see what happens? I can't answer that question. Only you can. With that being said, again, I can now help 49 out of 50 states. So if you are in the United States, other than New York, and you are interested in buying a home or refinancing, I would love to support you. Best way to get in contact with me, because y'all, there are like 100 accounts of mine. It's really annoying. My handle is chelsea.winstead. That is my TikTok, the only TikTok I have. I will never message you. I will never comment. I'm never going to be talking about no Bitcoin. I'm not selling anything. I never will message you first, ever, ever, ever. The best way to get a hold of me to make sure that you're actually speaking to me, if you go to the link on my profile, it's a Stan Store account. My handle is Chelsea Winstead. And there's going to be 2 options that are going to serve most of you. Option 1 is going to be if you're wanting to buy a home. Option 2 is going to be if you're looking to refinance and you want us to run some numbers. If you are like more than a year out from purchasing a home, so like you're kind of further out in the journey, if you scroll past those 2 sections, I do have a whole section on my account or on my profile that's it's got a ton of free resources. I talk about what actually matters when it comes to applying for a loan. How do you actually look at your credit score and what do we care about? I give you some info on like the whole home buying process, and like what the step-by-steps are. So even if you're far out from right now and you're just planning and trying to figure out what you should be doing, my profile, go to my Stan Store. They're all free, like completely free. As always, if you have questions, drop them in the comments. And if you want to work with me to either purchase or refinance your home, I would love to support you. Again, I'm never going to message you first. Link on my profile is the cleanest way to chat with me and know that it's actually me. All right, you guys, happy Friday. I hope you are well, and let me know if I can help or if you have any questions.